CPI coming in lower, 7.1%. What in the world does that mean? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another week. It's The Brief with your one and only Kenny Simpson. This week, I want to talk about, well, guys, 2023 is right around the corner. It's coming in hot. A lot of people are checked out. A lot of people are already on vacation. If that's you, kudos to you. Over here, we're going balls to the wall, up to the end, hitting it hard, lots of things, working on getting in front of, you guys with content, education, whatever we can do, put ourselves in a position to do really, really well to help our clients in 2023. But speaking of 2023, a lot of people are calling about pre-approvals, about getting cash together, getting ready for 2023. We're going to have a recession. Is there going to be a consumer pullback? Are there going to be a lot of real estate deals? Or is it going to be all that? So I think a lot of people are looking at 2023 to get through the holidays to see if prices are going to come down, if rates are going to come down, if that's going to be the sweet time to buy Q1, Q2. So I wanted to talk today quickly, like what is a good deal then anyways, right? In 2023, what is a good deal going to be? Is it going to be I'm, 10% less off the list price? I'm getting my 2-1 buy down paid for. I'm getting my closing costs paid for. I'm getting the roof repaired, the stuff repaired. So I think buyers want a deal. They also want to know what is a good deal and what is that really, what is built in there. So I think, as far as us, we have to get out there to the buyers and let people know what a good deal is. They see something listed, what do they know what it's sold for, right? So we need to make sure we're communicating with everybody in our audience, what is going on, what kind of deals are happening, because I think buyers are not understanding that there are deals happening and people are paying way under list price and the value is still coming higher than what they paid on their appraisal. Not that it's going to stay there. So the 2-1 buy down will give you more runway until rates come down next year, and some people are just holding off. I think they want to get to the end of this year and see how next year starts and see what they're going to do. I also want to talk about inventory. Inventory is definitely coming down. We're in the 4,200s, low 4,000s. Now we're creeping into the 3,800s. Obviously, this time of year, things are slowing down, but that's just how it is this time of year. But this year, it's definitely really slow. You can ask title, escrow, lenders, appraisers, inspectors. Ask anybody in the real estate business, residential, commercial. Things are dead for some. Things are kind of busy for others. And I'm sure some people, they're just busy like usual. So it's kind of weird, right? It's weird that it's just slow. It's a little spooky, a little creepy. It doesn't feel good. A lot of people getting laid off. But also the opportunity for next year is what's to come, putting yourself in a position to win. And last but not least, let's talk about rates. Good old rates and good old CPI. So great news. Last time CPI last month came in at 7.7. We went to 7.1. Pretty significant drop. Yes, there is a couple other indications in there that food and energy prices came up a little bit, but they did notice that the food did shoot up. So they're not sure about that. So that's good. Interest rates, they kind of came down a little bit today, a little correction as I shoot this. I think they're going to kind of remain flat. We'll see. Some people are thinking the 10-year is going to go back up. There's going to be a lot of volatility. Let's just be honest. Q1, January, it's going to be interesting, right? We're going to have probably consumer switch, Fed switch, all that kind of stuff happening, people getting laid off, things like that. So I think we're just going to enter a new world with 2023. But like I said, I think that's going to be the opportunity where the buyer is going to be able to pick up a deal. They just don't understand what a deal is. And that's for them to figure out and us to communicate with them. But otherwise, that's it. We're coming up to the holidays here quickly. So if you're out of town, you're watching this and you're on vacation, like some of the clients, kudos to you. I hope you're having a good time. But if you guys need anything, we're here. Otherwise, until next week, have a great week. And we will see what the Fed remarks are at the end of this week, and we'll talk about that next week. Have a great week.